riders don't rush for the Kappa Beach. Real slab riders don't rush for the MLK holiday. We wait and pull out. When we pull out, it is a slab holiday. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter when I come out, it's a holiday then. Everybody coming outside cause I'm outside. You understand? Yeah, Doug Key, Slab 101.
You know what they say, like, you can't keep too much stress on the heart. There come a time when you just gotta let that shit out. Look.